Okay, hello everybody. I will talk about animals, not real life animals, just fake, just only toys. And also dinosaurs. And also I have some creatures. Oh smokes. What the? Whoa, so many. No! Bro. I almost died because I almost fell down. I think this video is gonna be the longest video because I have a lot of toys. I'm just putting the toys that is not animals or dinosaurs or creatures. Just my other toys. Just my other toys. Okay, I will put this side animals and this side dinosaurs. Okay, this is dinosaur. Dinosaur. Whoa, whoa. Dinosaur. Dinosaur in the egg. Dinosaurs, and I have also small dinosaurs. Here, small dinosaurs. There's more. The smallest is the T-Rex dinosaur. Where's the small one? Because that's the hardest to find. This is not the smallest. Oh, getting close. Getting closer. Where's this one? Oh, where's the small? It's a small dinosaur. Man! Here? No. Where is it? Oh gosh. I just finally did this. Dinosaurs, T-Rex, dinosaurs. Like where? I can't find it. Where is it? It's like a small dot. Okay, I stopped. Okay, okay. Oh, dinosaurs. Okay. Now this is dinosaurs, and this is animals. And I have creatures also. This is the big one. The biggest is the shark. It's like a megalon or shark. Oh, I forgot this one. Bro. And I also have a dog. Oh, dinosaurs. Dinosaur man. Giraffes. Ooh, monkey. The fastest animal in the world is a cheetah. This is alligator. A yellow alligator. And I also have spiders and small spider. This is not from the animals. This is from Roblox. Then I get it because of animal. And I have three. Three is the same. It's tigers. 1, 2, 3. 3 tigers is the same. This is bigger. This is the biggest. This is the same. It's like twins. Rabbits. Rabbit and rabbit. This is older. This is younger because white. This is dark. Oh, I forgot this one and this one. I forgot. This is dinosaurs. Rats. Rats. A deer. And this is squid. I think it's squid. I don't know. This is dolphin. Whoa, a whale. Blue whale. Horse. What else? Ooh, hippopotamus. Is this sheep? Or like other animals? It's not a... Wait, I think this is a goat. Is that a goat? Because I will call it Ronaldo. Ooh. This one. Turtle. Turtle. Pig. Elephant. And this bug. Bro, not a bug. 2 bugs. Or more bugs. Finally, I found it. Small dinosaur. This is the smallest. It's a T-Rex. Okay, now done. Others. Oh, this one. This one. And also lions. Where's lion? This is a cow, right? Or it's like a bull. I don't know. Oh, that's a bull. This is a cow. Oh. Okay, now let's go to dinosaurs. Okay, T-Rex. There's so much version of T-Rex. T-Rex, green T-Rex, and the small one. Here. Small to big. And this one. And small. Small to big. This one and this one. This is medium. This is big. Where's the small one? The small one. Here. Small. And there's so much T-Rex that I even found so many. Well, so many I even can't hold it. It's so much. Whoa. See? And there's more here. And this one? No, that's not this one. Oh, it's in the egg also. It's like... Okay, this is dinosaur. And this one. Whoa. This is Spike. Spike. this one, and this one. Small, big. It's longer. Okay. Oh, this is half three like a tiger's. Where's the other one? Here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3. It's different colors. Okay. And smells. There's 4 of the eggs. Here, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And it's like when a T-Rex is like born, it's in the egg, right? It's small, but this is bigger, smaller. Bro, you can also. Yeah, that's so sick. Okay, I'm going to get the bigs. This is big for dinosaurs. This is big for dinosaurs. This is big for animals. It's 3 of them. A whale, a megalon or a shark, and an alligator, and T-Rex. T-Rex again, and this dinosaur. And a dolphin. Dolphin. Oh man. Okay, this is have versions 3. 1 small, 2, then 3. Okay, 3 versions. How many is the T-Rex? 12 version of T-Rex. Look at this. It's raining T-Rex. Okay. This one? Oh, 4 versions. Where is it? God damn it. Bro, where? What? Where is it? Oh, I found it. 4 versions. Okay, that's all. Bye-bye.